The best way to address memory leaks is to start by closing unnecessary apps and programs using Task Manager. To do this, right-click on your Start menu and select Task Manager, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. Once in the Task Manager, go to the Processes tab on the left-hand side and identify the apps using the most RAM by sorting the list by memory usage. Simply right-click on these apps and choose End Task to close them. Next, open Task Manager again and navigate to the Startup Apps tab on the left. Here, disable any apps that are not essential at startup by right-clicking them and selecting Disable. Another method involves managing services. Open the Start menu, search for services.msc, and press Enter. In the Services app, look for any unnecessary services that are running, such as CMAN. Right-click on the service, select Properties, click Stop, and then change the startup type to Disabled. Apply the changes, click OK, and restart your PC to see if the problem is resolved. If the issue persists, I recommend using the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Open the Start menu, search for Windows Memory Diagnostic, and click on it. Choose the option to restart now and check for problems. The tool will scan your system for memory-related issues and display the results on your screen. And that's it! I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.